Ensure every sale from your Squarespace store leaves a professional, confirming touch for your customers. In this quick tutorial, discover exactly how to generate or integrate receipt functionality for your Squarespace e-commerce sales, ensuring essential purchase confirmations for your valued shoppers. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and navigate to the Commerce section, usually found on the left-hand side menu. Within Commerce, click on Orders. This is where you'll manage all your customer transactions. When you click on an individual order, you'll see all the details of that particular sale. Look for an option related to receipts. This might be a small button or a link to Resend Receipt or View Receipt. If you need to send a confirmation to a customer who didn't receive it, simply click Resend Receipt. To see what your customer receives, or to manually generate one, click on View Receipt. This will display a professional digital receipt, including your business name, customer details, the items purchased, and payment confirmation. Squarespace automatically generates these receipts based on the information you've set up in your store, providing a seamless and trustworthy experience for your customers with every purchase. By utilizing these built-in features, you reinforce professionalism and customer confidence in your online business. Happy selling.